Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing with you about chamomile. Do you know what is the chamomile? Do you know the benefits of it? If you don't know, please watch this video. And how does it help you? This video you will know some of the key benefits of chamomile for the healthy body, how to make tea, and the best time to drink tea for healthy today.
Chamomile is a common name for several daisy-like plants belonging to the family Asteraceae. It is one of the most ancient medicinal herbs known to mankind, with its dried flowers and essential oils used for various purposes. Chamomile plants have finely divided, feathery leaves and a distinctive daisy-like flower head. The flower consists of a yellow center, disc florets, surrounded by white petals, ray florets. The plant's name comes from the Greek for earth apple, a reference to its low-growing habit and apple-like scent, which is particularly noticeable when the leaves or flowers are crushed. Chamomile is most popularly consumed as a soothing herbal tea, but it is also used in a variety of other forms, including capsules, tablets, liquid extracts, oils, and creams.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get more new videos.
Chamomile tea is a popular herbal beverage known for its gentle, soothing, and relaxing properties. Made from the dried flowers of the chamomile plant, it has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. Its health benefits are primarily attributed to its high concentration of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Here are some of the key benefits of chamomile tea. 1. Promotes relaxation and sleep. Chamomile's most well-known benefit is its ability to act as a mild sedative and anxiolytic, anxiety-reducing agent. It contains an antioxidant called apigenin that binds to certain receptors in the brain, which can help promote sleepiness and reduce insomnia. Many people find that a warm cup of chamomile tea before bed is an effective part of a nightly wind-down routine to help them fall asleep faster and improve their overall sleep quality.
2. Aids digestion. Chamomile tea is often used as a digestive aid. Its anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties can help relax the smooth muscles of the stomach and intestines. This can provide relief from a variety of digestive issues, including bloating and gas, indigestion and stomach cramps, and nausea. Some research suggests that chamomile may also help reduce stomach acid and inhibit the growth of bacteria that cause ulcers.
3. Reduces inflammation. The antioxidants in chamomile, such as flavonoids and bisabolol, have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. By helping to reduce chronic inflammation in the body, chamomile tea may help alleviate symptoms associated with inflammatory conditions like arthritis and gut issues.
4. Supports heart health. Chamomile tea contains flavonoids that may contribute to heart health. These compounds can help manage high blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are major risk factors for heart disease. The relaxing properties of the tea may also indirectly benefit the heart by helping to reduce stress.
5. May help control blood sugar. Some studies suggest that regularly drinking chamomile tea may help lower blood sugar levels, particularly in people with diabetes. Its anti-inflammatory properties may help protect the cells of the pancreas, which produces insulin. While it is not a substitute for medication, it may be a useful addition to a diabetes management plan.
6. Benefits for skin health. Topically or orally, chamomile can benefit the skin due to its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. Reduces redness and irritation. It can help soothe skin inflammation from conditions like acne, rashes, and eczema. Aids in wound healing. Some studies suggest that chamomile has antimicrobial properties that can help protect wounds from bacteria and speed up the healing process. Soothes sunburn. Applying a cooled chamomile tea bag or a compress to a sunburn can help provide relief.
Important considerations. While chamomile tea is generally considered safe for most people, it's important to be aware of a few things. Allergies. If you are allergic to plants in the daisy family, such as ragweed, chrysanthemums, or marigolds, you may have a reaction to chamomile tea. Medication interactions. Chamomile can have mild blood-thinning effects and may interact with certain medications. If you are taking blood thinners or other drugs, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before consuming it regularly. Pregnancy. It is generally recommended that pregnant individuals consult a doctor before using chamomile tea regularly, as some sources suggest it may have a mild risk of causing uterine contractions.
How to use chamomile for tea. Chamomile tea is one of the most popular herbal infusions, known for its mild, soothing flavor and calming properties. Here's a simple guide on how to make it, whether you're using loose flowers or a tea bag. The basic recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup, 8 fluid ounces or 250 milliliters of water. 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers or 1 chamomile tea bag. Optional: sweeteners like honey or sugar. Optional: flavor additions like a lemon slice or fresh mint.
Instructions. Heat the water. Bring your water to a boil in a kettle or a pot on the stove. Some tea experts suggest a water temperature of around 93 degrees Celsius to avoid a bitter taste, so you can remove the water from the heat as soon as it reaches a rolling boil. Add the chamomile. Place your dried chamomile flowers in a tea infuser or simply put the tea bag in your mug. If you're using loose flowers and don't have an infuser, you can use a fine mesh strainer to pour the tea through after steeping. Steep the tea. Pour the hot water over the chamomile. Cover the mug or teapot to keep the heat in and let it steep for about 5 to 7 minutes. The longer you steep it, the stronger the flavor and the more potent the medicinal properties will be. Strain and serve. Remove the infuser or tea bag. If you used loose flowers, strain the tea into a clean cup. Enjoy. Add honey, lemon, or any other flavorings you like, then sit back and relax.
Tips for the perfect brew. Loose flowers versus tea bags. Whole, dried chamomile flowers often provide a more aromatic and a richer brew than prepackaged tea bags. However, tea bags are a convenient and easy option. Don't oversteep. While a longer steep can make the tea more potent, steeping for too long can sometimes result in a slightly bitter taste. Experiment to find the time that's right for you. Serving temperature. Chamomile is traditionally served warm, especially as a calming pre-bedtime beverage. Cold brew. You can also make a refreshing iced chamomile tea. Simply place the chamomile flowers in cold water and let them steep in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours or even overnight before straining and serving over ice. When to drink chamomile tea? The time of day you drink chamomile tea can be tailored to your specific needs. For sleep and relaxation, this is the most common reason people drink chamomile tea. To get the full benefits of its mild sedative effect, it's recommended to drink a cup about 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. This allows your body enough time to metabolize the compounds, like apigenin, that promote calmness and drowsiness. Drinking it too close to bedtime might lead to waking up in the night to use the bathroom. For digestive health, chamomile tea is well known for its ability to soothe the stomach. Drinking a cup after a meal can help relieve indigestion, gas, and bloating. Its anti-inflammatory properties can promote overall digestive comfort. For stress and anxiety, you can drink chamomile tea at any time of the day when you feel stressed, anxious, or need a moment to relax. Its gentle, calming properties can help reduce tension and provide a sense of calm during a difficult or busy day. Since it is naturally caffeine-free, it won't give you a jolt of energy, making it a good alternative to coffee or caffeinated teas.
If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.